Beauty Freelancing Career Kickstart Campaign Part 7. Marketing Strategies for Beauty Freelancers. How to attract and retain clients. As a beauty freelancer, having effective marketing strategies in place is crucial for attracting new clients and retaining existing ones. In this video, we will discuss some tried and true marketing techniques that can help beauty freelancers thrive in this competitive industry. Number 1. Establish an online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your work, services, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to share your work. Engage with potential clients and build a strong online presence. Number 2. Showcase your expertise. Demonstrate your skills and expertise through educational content such as tutorials, beauty tips, and product reviews. This not only provides value to your audience, but also position you as an authority in the industry. Number 3, collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers in the beauty industry can expand your reach and expose your work to a larger audience. Collaborate on project offers, free services, or sponsor their content to gain their visibility and attract new clients. Number 4, offer special promotions and packages. Create enticing promotions, discounts, or package deals to incentivize clients to choose your services. Limited time offers or referral programs can encourage existing clients to recommend your services to others. Number 5, engage and interact with your audience. Responding to comments, direct messages, and inquiries in timely and professional manners shows that you value your clients. Engage with your audience by hosting Q&A session, live tutorials, or virtual consultations. Number 6, seek reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews and testimonials on your website or social media platforms. Positive feedback builds trust and credibility, so making potential clients more likely to choose your services. Number 7, network with the industry. Attend beauty-related events, trade shows, and conferences to connect with fellow professionals, potential collaborators, and industry insiders. Networking can lead to valuable opportunities and referrals. By implementing these marketing strategies, beauty freelancers can attract new clients, retain existing ones, and establish a strong presence in the industry.